The world-famous Tsukiji Fish Market here in Tokyo is the place where fresh seafood arrives every morning and the best sushi makers in the world come to buy their fish. This morning, we'll be exploring one of the largest fish markets in the world, complete with a sushi-making class.
Today, we are going to walking to the Tsukiji Fish Market and look around the Japanese local shops and Japanese local culture.
As you walk through the market, there's all sorts of little taste tests around you, so you get to try a few things, all sorts of goodies. Our guide is explaining to us how fish are caught, distributed, and sold here in Tokyo. There is so much tuna here, and this is perfect because our next stop, there's going to be some tuna as well. We're going to go make some sushi. If you've never made sushi before, don't worry. It's a relaxed atmosphere, and the sushi master will walk you through all of the steps. As you can see, I need a bit more practice. I don't think I realized that there were so many different types of sushi. You can use a variety of different fish, rolled sushi, you can have nigiri sushi. Okay, so you make your little rice ball. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Flatten it down, there we go. And then you gotta place it on a 45-degree angle. Before you eat in Japan, you say, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
That's delicious. And I made it myself. This has been so great. We went through Tsukiji Market, we learned all about the different foods and ingredients, and then coming to this sushi class where we got to make sushi. This has been the perfect way to immerse ourselves in the culture of Japan.